Hi, in this video we will discuss about chapter 8, which is Introduction to Trigonometry. This is very easy chapter if you remember all the formula. Even formula is not very tough, it's very easy. So let's see what and all you have to remember. First you have to see about sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, first see what is theta. So if we have one right angle triangle, it will always use in a right angle triangle. Okay, so we have one right angle triangle. Let's say this is A, this is B and this is C. So what is theta? Theta is an angle. Okay, so you can say this is theta. This angle is called theta. Okay, and this is 90 degree. And we already know about hypo, because we already learned in previous chapter trigonometry, correct? So this is 90 and that opposite of this 90 is hypo, correct? So this is hypo, means AC equals to hypo. And in this chapter we will also see two other points. One is called perpendicular, or P also we are writing, and the other one is called base. So base and perpendicular. Okay, so for hypo we are generally using H, for perpendicular we are using P, and for base we are using B. Okay, in a small P, B, B for base. Okay, now how to find sine theta? So sine theta equals to perpendicular by hypo. Okay, so what is perpendicular? Perpendicular, theta is here, so perpendicular for this theta is just opposite of this theta, the side which is opposite of this theta. Means for this theta perpendicular is AB, correct? Means AB. And what is the hypo? Hypo is AC, correct? So sine theta equals to this P by H. Okay, and what is base? Base is this. Means if this is theta, so how this angle theta will makes? With the help of this hypo and base. So first one is hypo, that you know, and the other one which where this theta is making is called base, and we are denoting it with H. Sorry, B for base. Sorry, this is B. Okay, so for this theta, this is perpendicular and this is base. Okay, just remember, for this theta only, this is perpendicular and this is base. BC is base and AB is perpendicular. Now let's see if this is our theta. So for this theta, this will be the perpendicular and this is the base. Because if just imagine ki one person is standing here, okay, so for this person you can say ki this is our perpendicular line and this is our baseline, correct? So according to that way only, that way also you can understand ki this is the perpendicular for this theta. If this is our theta, so this is the perpendicular and this is the base. Okay, and as usual this is hypo. Okay, now so this is the formula of sine theta, P by H. Okay, now cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta equal to base by hypo. What is our base? P. This is our base. This by hypo is H. Means if we talk about this triangle, so cos theta equals to what? Base is BC and height is what? AC. Correct? Now the third one, tan theta. Tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. Okay, so for if this is our theta, so for this perpendicular is this AB by base is BC. Okay, So just remember these three. Okay, in sine theta, that in denominator the hypo will be there, and cos theta also. For both sine theta and cos theta, the denominator will be always hypo. Correct? H. For tan theta, it's perpendicular by base. So just remember these three formula. Okay. Next one is cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Let's see one by one. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is opposite of sine theta. Opposite means 1 by sine theta. So this is the formula. Cosec theta equals to opposite of sine theta. Okay. Now, what is sine theta? Sine theta equals to P by H. So just write here P by H. Means this H will go up. Correct. So this is equals to H by P. Means cosec theta equals to hypo by perpendicular. Okay. Also we can write what? If sine theta will go this side, so sine theta equals to this cosec will come down. So 1 by cosec theta. Okay. That means cosec theta equals to 1 by sine theta, or sine theta equals to 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta equals to hypo by perpendicular. Okay. Or just remember cosec theta equals to opposite of sine theta. In the same way, sec theta equals to opposite of cos theta, and cot theta is opposite of tan theta. It's easy, correct? Now let's see sec theta. So sec theta equals to what? 1 by cos theta, correct? And what is cos theta? Cos theta equals to base by hypo. Means hypo will go up, so hypo by base. So sec theta equals to hypo by base. Or we can also write like this. Means first cos theta equals to what? 1 by sec theta. Easy, right? Now for third also, cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. And what is tan theta? Tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. Correct? So this base will go up, means base by perpendicular. Okay? So cot theta equal to first base, then perpendicular. Okay? And also we can write tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. Okay? So mainly you have to remember these three formula. This, and also remember ki cosec theta is opposite of sine theta, sec theta is opposite of cos theta, and cot theta is opposite of tan theta. If you remember this, so this trigonometry chapter is very easy for you. Okay? Now, let's see one example. So it will be, you can easily understand this. Okay? So what is question number 1? In triangle ABC, right angle at B. So we have one triangle ABC, and this is our right angle triangle. Okay? AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. Determine first sine A and cos A. Okay? Now, sine A equals to, hope you remember, perpendicular by hypo, and cos A equals to base by hypo. Correct? So, if A, what is A? A is our theta. So, for this theta, this is our perpendicular and this is base. So, if I want to solve sine A first, so sine A equals to this perpendicular by hypo. So for that we have to find hypo first, and hypo we can easily find out by using Pythagoras theorem. Correct? Because two sides are given, so we can easily calculate hypo. Okay? Now first calculate hypo. So AC. AC square equals to what? AB square plus BC square. Correct? According to Pythagoras theorem. Now AC square equals to AB square. AB square is 24 square plus BC is 7 square. Correct? Now AC square equals to 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. That means AC square equals to 625. So we already know is 625 is the square of 25. That means we can say AC equals to 25 centimeter. Now this is 25 centimeter. Correct? Now by using our formula, we can easily calculate sin A and cos A. Correct? Let's see. Sin A equals to, for this is A. So this is our perpendicular, means BC by hypo AC. Correct? What is BC? BC is 7. And what is hypo? Hypo is 25. So sin A equals to 7 by 25. Correct? Now cos A. Cos A equals to base by hypo. Correct? So for this theta, this is our base, right? So AB by AC. Correct? So what is AB? AB is 24 by what is hypo? Hypo is 25. Correct? So easy. Now the second one. Sin C and cos C. Now here see, they changed the theta. Now for this angle we have to calculate sin theta and cos theta. So for this angle, perpendicular is AB and base is BC. Correct? So first find sin C. So sin C equals to perpendicular by hypo, means AC. Means AB is 24 by 25. Correct? And cos C. For this theta, base is BC. So BC by hypo means AC. BC is 7 by 25. Correct? It's so easy. Just you have to remember the formula of everything, mainly sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. And we also used Pythagoras theorem in this example. So if you remember the formula, it's very easy chapter for you. If you have any doubt in this chapter, in this example, please write your comment in the comment section. Or if you have any doubt in the formula to understand, please write your comments. Also, like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.